Oh.
Absolute monster to win, front yard, and the builders have put as much into as we have, and it'd be awesome to take that prize home. Jade and I are still waiting for our first win outright. We've won with the gnome, but it's still itching. We want to get a win outright, and we're run out of weeks.
Walking in through your front gate today, Shayna immediately said...
That facade is so glamorous, dramatic. I adore it.
The word exquisite comes to mind. Wow, wow, wow.
All the different timber details, the weatherboard, and that simple contrast of the black and the white and the neutral palette. It's just got so much impact. Just gorgeous. And talk about entrance appeal, right? Like, you want to walk in here and literally, like, just... Yeah. And then stop, and then give it a little hop, and...
You do that a bit too well, Darren.
Thank you.
Sexy, and I know it.
The carpentry is incredible.
This is so elegant, and you look at all the line details.
Shayna also loved the Mayfield sign you added with the lemon tree under it.
It is stunning.
Little bit of a smile, Daniel. Come on, mate.
Oh, I'm sweating over here.
Just a dash. Just a little hint. That's all I'm asking.
I can feel myself leaning forward. I'm hanging for Scotty's bloody comments.
It's hard to smile. You kind of go, what's the next comment going to be? Is it going to be good? Is it
Chewing
gonna
your
be
lip,
bad?
your tongue's getting fatter in your mouth.
Isn't it telling how impactful this facade is that we haven't even commented on how glorious this garden is?
Looking around at the plant selection,
I know we said in House One, all the different plant selections a bit haphazard. But I'm loving all these traditional selections that they've chosen, and there's some gardenias, then there's some hedging, then we've got these big conifers that are going to be a big hedge. It's going to give that beautiful structure to here, and just the palms. Like, you think of the 1930s, the amount of palms that were around then as well.
the balance of the planting is superb. Darren did have a couple of negatives.
Look across the top of this brickwork. Needs a little bit of a clean. It's like, it's a bit of a mess.
And the big one for him is that he really feels like the sides of the decking steps should have been dressed with some black panelling.
Up there, but tucked back in so you still get that lovely, light, thin edge of timber, but you don't see all the ugly detail.
Yes, we're nodding.
Yeah.
Ran out of time?
Out of time, mate.
Out of time.
It just looks ugly.
Yeah.
And it jars.
I just can't. It's breaking my heart looking at that.
Yes,
it's
it's
breaking
ugly.
my heart because this is perfect.
This is a lovely deck to sit out on, isn't it?
It
I mean,
is,
this is
yeah.
just the perfect spot to sit and have your morning cup of coffee or an evening sundowner.
Well, you know, just grab your lemon and do your little cocktail and
Yes.
just have your G&T at the end of the day.
They had to literally drag themselves away to judge House 4.
I'm going to take a shortcut.
No, I'm taking the catwalk.
That's it.
We do our best every week. You know, we don't give up. We try our hardest. We're here doing things we've never done before. You know, it's an amazing experience.
When was the last time we got to plant a garden?
Oh,
Never.
Never.